Hi guys, this is Claire Wiscombe. I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Mumbai bombings in 2008 in Mumbai, India. Just a little bit of a geography refresher. Mumbai is on the western coast of India by the bank of the Arabian Sea. Mumbai is made from the group of 7 islands, and so it's called the island city. It is a definite financial center for India. It's India's largest, most populated city. And then a little fun fact is Mumbai is the heart of the Bollywood film industry. Just a little background on 26/11 itself. This has been nicknamed 26/11 because it started on the 26th of November, and it's sort of the equivalent of the 9/11 terrorist attack here in the United States. This was a series of multiple coordinated terrorist attacks across Mumbai in 12 prominent tourist areas. Here are 6 of some of the most well-known places. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. I know I just butchered that, but it was formerly known as Victoria Station, which is like huge. The Taj Mahal Palace and Tower Hotel, we all know about them. Leopold Cafe, the Trident Oberoi Hotel, Nariman House, a Jewish community center, and Kama Hospital. A little bit more background. These people that came in and performed the terrorist attack work from a jihadist group called Lashkar-e-Taiba, or Army of the Pure. They claim to be an Islamist group. There were 10 or so gunmen, 10 that they know of. They say that there might be more, but 9 of them died, and 1 of them was actually tried and caught. They hijacked a fishing boat way offshore, killed all of the crew except for the captain, and then whenever they got to the shore, they killed the captain too, because I guess they didn't need him anymore, which is horrible. They arrived and then paired up and went to different places in Mumbai and killed 174 people and wounded over 300 people. What does this mean for relationships between Pakistan and India? This terrorist group was actually based in Pakistan. So obviously that throws a lot of shade towards Pakistan. They had already been struggling and they were trying to mend relationships, maybe not mend them completely, but like make sure they weren't getting worse. And whoops, I put that on there twice. Sorry about that. The Pakistan government actually condemned the attacks, so we all knew that, or else at least everybody felt like Pakistan was not in charge of this. So that was good, but they also promised to punish anyone that had anything to do with the attacks, so that was good. One sad thing is that Indians indicated that their government was at fault for being inept, so they felt very much like they did not, they were not protected. So anyways, that's something really sad about it, but here are my resources and hope you check them out. Thanks. Bye.